Hey traders, hope you're doing great. Just want to show you a couple moves that happen. Here's the breakout indicator across two lines, two trend lines, horizontal and diagonal. And then you get that break and then it just pumps up. So you get the signal, you get alerted on your phone or your computer, hop on the chart, see if it's what you like. And yeah, it's that easy. The other indicators are reversals, like you can see here. Here's a buy, here's a sell, here's a higher risk signal right here. But you can see these three signals work out great. You get a couple good moves. Moving on, here's another one, little drop down, then you get a huge pump up. Little move here. Here's a higher risk one, but if you held it for long enough, you got a really nice move there. But yeah, this is Bitcoin here on the right, Ethereum on the left. Pretty much identical, but a little bit different signals. You know, Bitcoin being the big brother to Ethereum, it's nice to see how Bitcoin is leading, and then you can kind of take the moves from there. I like to do Ethereum because I get it's like a better spread because I'm through funding pips. Just a couple nice moves here. Drops down. Some breakout moves. A couple didn't work out here, but you wouldn't take these because it's out of strategy. What you want is you want this signal here to run into these high liquidity candles. So even this one here, you wouldn't want to hold that very long because it is near the top range here. You'd want that signal to come out down here so it has some room to run. So there's a couple things you want to be aware of for sure and play with the strategy. So yeah, lots of really good signals. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out, and I can personally show you how to use this um, and how to everything there needs to know about this. Just let me know. Let's make it happen, guys. So yeah, take care, everybody. Happy trading.